Please join me in welcoming to the stage the lecturer of tonight, David Loy.
The topic that I want to talk about is sometimes uncomfortable. Sometimes it's something that we don't want to think about. I will be offering a Buddhist perspective on the ecological crisis. The problems occur when we are motivated by what are called the three poisons: greed, ill will, delusion. When what we do is motivated by them, it tends to create problems for ourselves and very likely for other people as well. And there's still a lot of resistance to this in the Buddhist world, believe me. People still think that the real practice is the meditation, the going within, and somehow social engagement is sort of a distraction from that. We need to realize that actually our engagement is not a distraction from the practice, it's a different kind of practice. As a member of Extinction Rebellion, we also blockaded a road. Well, that was maybe less successful. And so we can ask, which of those is a Buddhist activity? I think all of them, and no doubt many others as well.
I think Buddhism shows that it's not about embeddedness, it's entangled. And so there is no such thing as an economy. It's delusional. If you zoom out from outer space, economy will fade and ecology will stay. So if you look at the planet from a couple of 100 kilometers from above, there is no economy anymore. Ecology will stay.
I think I want to talk about the idea of suffering, which is institutionalized. And you explained it by one of the three sufferings, right? Greed, which is institutionalized. You cannot blame it on the individual CEO anymore because the greed is institutionalized. And the same with ill will and delusion.
That when you ask bankers what's really important to them, they say all the same: family, work. And I say, wait a minute, that's not in your equation. How come that what's important to you, you don't count as part of people's well-being? And therefore, I think what the Buddhists say, this is really suffering, because although they will not say that out loud, but that is really bothering them.